safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle.
And then stop.
Please remember children.
For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily.
Welcome aboard. Remain seated. Where you from? Well, if you need time travel for journey.
Your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop.
There are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. And the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance.
Promontory Utah. Stop. Hundreds gather today to witness the driving of the Golden Spike. Stop. Transcontinental Railroad.
One moment, I'll connect you.
Dateline for this. Americans get the oldest on 4 gold medals and the hearts of the town here in the 1936 Olympics.
By now, we're all communicating from anywhere on Earth. And in 1969, from somewhere else, to send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first, large, very expensive computers, everyone could have one of these in their own life. This is one problem. There is infinite problem. The solution comes in, of all places, a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that codes billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance.
Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated. Attention, please remain seated.
For the first time in history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with wind power from your home fueling station, you're off. Don't worry about the house. A PDA with remote control can take care of anything you forgot. You'll leave your country home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. Since you like to win, your virtual travel agent gives you options for hotels and restaurants along the way. You can just relax and take things as they come. You'll never get bored of the journey because your car's holographic gaming technology is connected to bring you back home. You'll travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you're out of this world and into the future. The end, or should I say the beginning, of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I dare it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that will take and live together. See you in the future.
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow, where new ideas and innovations are being developed to make the world a better place.
Your vehicle doors will open automatically. Please keep your hands right at the doors. Step carefully onto the